After allowing the graphic to settle on a clean flat surface, carefully trim excess material from around the graphic edge and into the headlight areas as shown. Familiarize yourself with proper placement by dry fitting the graphic and marking center of the grill and graphic with a China marker. Proceed to remove about 3 inches of the backing down the center, exposing the adhesive side of the graphic. With this center hinge method, align the bottom edge and tack down on each side up to the headlight area. Carefully work from the bottom edge and move up with a sweeping motion through the center grill area as shown, up through and to the top of the grill openings. Using firm pressure from your hand and squeegee, work around the grill top and upper edge. With the upper area set, proceed to apply the area under each headlight, followed by the area above each headlight. After making sure all areas are sufficiently set with firm squeegee action, carefully remove the application tape to expose the completed graphic installation.